What's going on? In this video, we're going to go through some things that kitchen remodelers can do to increase the amount of phone calls that come in and increase sales through your website. So one thing that you're going to notice on this website that they did very good is they have here this section, what to consider when remodeling a kitchen. Many people who are looking for kitchen remodeling services have never remodeled a kitchen before. So most likely they don't even know what they're doing or how to get started. Maybe their friend had their kitchen remodeled. Maybe they saw something on TV. Maybe they were scrolling through Instagram and they saw something. Maybe they discussed it and now this is something that they want to get into, but they don't know how to remodel a kitchen. So you as the business owner, you want to provide assurance to the customer of this process, showing them that it's not difficult and it's easy and you're the expert and you can guide them step by step on exactly how to remodel their kitchen. So if you notice here, they did a very good job. What to consider when remodeling, they put it in steps, having a proper plan, keeping in mind existing layout, working around your budget, installing, choosing correct lighting, making sure you have everything. This is very good, once again, to make it as easy as possible for people to understand what this process is. Something else that I would do right here is add a button. Ready to get started, get a free quote, or maybe ready to get started, call us now. Even though they do have their phone number here, which is very good, you click that and it lets you call them. Add another button here. It doesn't hurt. Of course, you don't want to spam your website with buttons, but it doesn't hurt to add more ways for people to reach out to you. So again, showing the steps of your service is something that you as a kitchen remodeler can do to your website to make it easy as possible for people to know what the process is like. So again, adding more buttons here for people to reach out to you, very helpful, very important. Another thing that you want to do on the website is create pages for each service you provide. So in this case, they do kitchen cabinets, they do kitchen countertops, they do kitchen backsplash. You want to create multiple pages for each service so that way you can increase the chances that you can show up on Google. So for here, kitchen cabinet, look at how many times this appears on the website, 15 times. Look how many times the word Orlando appears on this page alone, 14 times. So by them adding keywords that people would search on Google, they're increasing the chances of them showing up on Google. In fact, when you come here, when I search kitchen remodeling Orlando, this website is Orlando Kitchen Remodeling.net. And this is the top here. All you do is you scroll down, you notice that they are the third result. This is because they found some of these principles here. They added the keywords that people would be searching. So in this case, I typed in, look, kitchen remodeling Orlando. And if you come to their homepage here, look what they have on their homepage, Orlando kitchen remodeling. If you search on that homepage, 36 times they have kitchen remodeling. So of course, they're going to show up on the front page. Now, you don't want to just spam your website with these keywords. By adding it multiple times, you see how it's helped this website to rank high. So these are some things that you can do on your website as well, adding these keywords to help you rank high. And so along with this, some of the other points that we mentioned earlier was showing the step-by-step process of how it is working with you and how it is to actually implement this service. And of course, adding ways, as many ways as possible for people to reach out to you. Now, you want to also add multiple ways, not just a phone number. If you notice here, they have phone, they have form, maybe you want to add email as well. But the more ways you have for people to contact you, the better, because maybe somebody can't call you right away. Maybe somebody can't email you right away. Maybe somebody can't fill out a form right away. But if they have multiple options, then the chance that there's an option that fits their needs is going to be higher. So these are some things that you can do to keep in mind when looking at how to include ways for people to reach out to you. But I hope this video was helpful if you're a kitchen remodeler and you provide this service on how you can get started to actually increase the amount of phone calls that come in, increase sales, and some things that you can do around your website to help improve it. So if you're interested in making any of these changes, please feel free to reach out, ask me any question you have, and I'll be glad to help out. And once again, I hope this video was helpful just to see some of these things that you can do to improve your website.